My name is Benjamin Z. Miller, and I am the co-founder of Andesite Blue. Andesite Blue is a United Kingdom company that invests into the emerging market of Ukraine. Today, I'm going to answer the question, which bonds should I invest in? So it's someone that is new to bond investing and they're trying to figure out what kind of bonds, which bonds should I invest in? So I'm going to share Benjamin Z. Miller's opinion. Well, first of all, good question, and I wish you good luck with your investing. With bonds, the first thing you should do is decide if you prefer government or corporate bonds. Now, with inflation rates running so high, the only people that should buy government bonds are experienced traders that know what they are doing. If you buy a government bond now with interest rates rising, especially if you buy a long-term bond, you will quickly regret that decision. It's much better if you're going to buy a government bond if you buy a short-term government bond if you're going to do that. The problem with the government bonds is the returns are too low, and you're likely to end up with a negative real rate of return. Next, you have to decide if you want a higher return, and you know you're going to do privately held bonds if you want to do the highest returns, which you will find in emerging markets. Emerging markets offer the highest rates of return. Or if you want a lower return that might be offered by bonds in countries like the US or Germany, most investors, though, like the idea of higher rates of return. Finally, you should look at the team that backs the bond. Who is the management team? Do they have experience? For example, if you look at Andesite Blue, you see the team clearly there on the website. You should be very careful about investing in a company's bonds where the team is not one you feel comfortable with or they don't have their management team on the website. Lastly, you should look at what the company is doing and see if it seems worthwhile. You still should do your proper due diligence and take your time to learn and talk to the company. Finally, if you can't reach the president of the company or the managing director by email, where they respond promptly, ideally the same day, that's a bad sign. And I wouldn't invest. I hope you are doing well, and I wish you good luck with your investing. Thank you.